We're going to talk about how to solve number stories with addition and subtraction. Solving a number story is very similar to solving a regular equation. You just have to read carefully and figure out what the problem is asking you to do. So let's read problem number 1. Miss Smith has $36, and then she picked up her paycheck and received $12 more. How much money does she have now? Okay, now the first thing I do, I've read the problem. Now I want to underline all of the important information. So she started with $36. That's very important. I'm going to underline that. Then she got $12 more. And how much money does she have now? Okay, so I know that she started with $36. So I'm going to write that here. This is her start. She started with $36. Now she received $12 more. So if you're receiving, you're getting more. So we're going to add $12 more. And that is what our end is going to be. And I'm going to put in X here for end. It's just a letter that's telling me that our answer is going to be that X. So if I need to write my equation, it's going to look like this. 36 plus 12 is going to give us our answer. And I'm just going to put an X there. That's just our answer. Now, there are lots of different strategies to solving the problem 36 plus 12. Today, we're going to use a number grid to help us solve this. So we're going to start at 36, and we want to add 12. Now, we know that you can move down 1 on the number grid, and that'll add 10. So 36 plus 10 is 46. Now we just have to move over 2 more. So 1, 2. So our answer is 48. So she now has $48 more. Now it is so important that you put that dollar sign there because that is your unit. That's telling you what 48 of what. It's not 48 cents, it's not 48 cookies, it's $48. That's really important. Okay, now let's use our knowledge to help us solve another problem. This is problem number 2. Remember, first we're going to read the problem carefully, and then we're going to underline our important information. Bobby went to the candy store with 75 cents. When he left the store, he had 32 cents left. How much money did he spend at the candy store? Okay, let's think about what's important. Bobby went to the candy store with 75 cents. Okay, walking in with 75 cents. That's very important. When he left the store, he had 32 cents left. Okay, so he lost money in this store. Now he only has 32 cents left. How much money did he spend? Okay, so if we're thinking about at the start, when Bobby first went into the candy store, we started with 75 cents. And I'm going to use this symbol for cents. He started with 75 cents, and at the end of the candy store, he had 32 cents. Now, I know that 32 is smaller than 75, so he must have spent the money on something. So what our equation could be is 75 minus 32 is going to give us how much money he has left. And again, I'm just going to use a letter. So we're looking at 75 minus 32, and that'll give us our answer. So let's use the strategy of using our number grid. We're going to start at 75, and we need to know the difference between 75 and 32. So we can use our number grid trick to help us. Let's start looking at 32. Instead of counting 1 every time to the right, I'm going to use my trick of knowing that you can add 10 by going down. So here's 10, 20, 30, 40, and then we can start moving to the right. 41, 42, 43. So he spent 43 cents at the store. And notice I'm writing that cent symbol there. That's telling me my unit. It's very important to put in the cents.